How to deposit funds on Aerodrome Finance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So all of you are looking to provide liquidity on Aerodrome Finance and make some good returns on Aerodrome Finance, but you don't know how to get the liquidity in the first place in the Aerodrome Finance. For that, you would require a MetaMask account, and also make sure that you added this particular base network on your MetaMask wallet, because this network is quite important in order to connect with Aerodrome Finance. Now, after adding this network from the chain list, you can simply open up any centralized exchange in order to transfer the funds. We will simply use Binance in this particular example. You can use any other exchange as well, and the process is quite similar. Let me start it from the very beginning so you understand it how I got over here. So for this, just simply open up your spot wallet, then click on withdraw. Then here you get to select the coin, and we will select Ethereum since it is quite friendly and it is available on base chain as well. Now for the address, we will simply copy the address from MetaMask and paste it over here. Then for the network, this is where the trick comes, and here we need to select base. Now after that, type the amount of Ethereum that you want to withdraw and click on withdraw. After you withdraw this fund, it will get into your MetaMask account, and since this MetaMask account is connected to our Aerodrome Finance, we will be able to see the balance of Ethereum over here. We can use this Ethereum to purchase anything on Aerodrome Finance and participate in liquidity, votes or incentives or all the other things, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.